This is white. We're done. Okay, it's done. It's good. Oof. It's colder than before. The point of this video isn't to do exactly what I did because it was my first time. But it turned out pretty good. I didn't paint the inside. I didn't see the point. My plan with this board was minimal effort for maximum trolling. I did not bother with covering the rubber feet with masking tape or anything like that. Yeah, too lazy. But please remember that you have to let the paint dry for a whole day, for 24 hours. Hey, don't be afraid to try this. It was really easy. I did it when I smoked weed for the first time. After you've taken apart the entire board, sand the board down, sand the case. And I started off with 80 grit, and I went up to 240, 600, and 1200. And just sand everywhere. Oh yeah, and just sand everywhere, but be careful of the edges because you could sand off a bit too much, more than you want, and it's a hassle to fix. Just try to wipe off any debris, any dust that might possibly be on there still, and let the paint begin. So there is a giveaway for this board here, and 3 things you gotta do. 1, subscribe to the channel. 2, comment down below on what color you would have painted. And number 3 is follow me over on Instagram, where I will be announcing the winner next Friday. That's basically it. Pretty easy. So to end this, don't forget to enter the giveaway. And what is that Weekend song? Go tell your friends about it. Yeah, that song. Go tell your friends about it. Hey you. Thank you for watching. Remember, everything will be okay. I believe in you. Thank you.